know, there is nothing like wait.
Good morning, baby girl.
What's good about the morning?
Actually,
what's good about this morning?
Why you so harsh? Like usiku umekuwa tu sawa, like everything was okay since yesterday night.
Who is Anne? Tutakosa have issue moja the whole day, like the whole year.
So umeanza story za Anne tena this morning.
Okay, who is she?
Like kila siku Anne.
Why don't you tell me who you want specifically nani? Tulitidago domwe.
Right now, saa hii venye tunaongea, like tumekuwa everything was okay. Tumekuwa na wewe vizuri. Like have I taken Anne for an out? Ama nini umeona tena ikanini ikakufanya?
Who is she? Like literally ni nani? Kwani kuniambia ni nani za issue?
So Anne is my friend.
A friend? Yes. A friend who is calling you babe, a friend who is asking you kwani ukifika kwa nyumba basi utaniambia nisiku text.
So okay.
A friend anafaa
this is a friend who is taking care of his friend, of her friend.
Menipata. You have to stay with that. Is either choose me or your one. That's all.
Wait.
No, there is nothing like wait.
Just wait.
Me, I'm tired.
Hii kitu tuimalizie tu hapa mahali tumekaa. Story za kushidaga kila asubuhi umenuna kila asubuhi.
Nani anafanya ninune? Kwani I'm just
So the problem is Anne. So you want me to make the boundaries between me and Anne?
Kwani is your friend?
But she's a friend who is taking care of me.
Afai kukwambia tu ukifika kwa nyumba umwambie ndiye asiku text ama ndiye asiku call. That's come on. I'm not a baby.
Sweetheart.
Don't shoot at me by the way.
Come. My God.